Hello everyone. Number 1 front 3 Arithmetic Fraction. Francis 1, Turkey 1. Tile number 1. And size 1 meter 1 meter. And area 1 square meter. And this tile, this area 1/2 square meter, half. And this tile, this area 1/3 square meter. Okay? And fraction 1/2, 1/3. And take 2, this area 3/4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this area 1, 2, 3, 3/4. And take 3, this area 1/2. And this area 1/4. And this is plus equal 1/2 and 2 multiple 2 multiple 2. Then 2/4. And 1/2 equal this area. And 2/4 equal 1, 2, 3, 4, and this area 1, 2, 2/4. And then this is. And multiple 2 equal this value equal. Okay? And 1/2 plus 1/4 equal what is this value? And 1/2 equal 2/4. And 2/4 plus 1/4 equal 3/4. 2 plus 1. Calculate. And denominator equal, then molecule 2 plus 1. And this is 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3/4. And plus equal, this is, okay? And parenthesis 2, area 1/A times B equal this area B/A. 1/A times B equal 1 times B and B/A. And area B/A times 1/C equal this. Calculate denominator times A times C and B/A times C. Okay? And area B/AC times D equal molecule B times D. And then B/A times D/C equals B/A times 1/C times D. And this is and B/AC times D. And B/D equal this is. Then B/A times D/C equal BD/AC. This is by fraction calculator. And example, 2 over 3 times 3 over 4 equal molecule 2 times 3. 6 over denominator 3 times 4. And then 6 over 12 equal 3 over 4. Divide. This is divide 6 and 1 over 2. This is correct. 1 over 2. Okay? And parenthesis to b over a divide d over c equals b over a times t molecule d denominator times divide times. Okay? And because b over a divide d over c, this is, and AC multiple, AC times it is equal. AC multiple, then A erase and BC and C erase AD and BC over AD and equals B over A times C over D. This calculate, okay? And I could say and exercise parenthesis 1 check 1 9 over 5 times 25 over 3 and circle 2 8 over 12 divide 16 over 24. You find it's finished.